Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get and use virtual card on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on your profile first. Now from here guys, you can easily find verify your identity. First of all guys, you have to verify your identity. Now after verifying the identity guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the Cash App again, and you can easily find here cash card option. You can see get your free card, tap on that. From here guys, you have to select your card. So let me select one of the card like this. Now after selecting the card guys, you can see order card option, tap on that. Now after that guys, you have to wait some second. You can easily see here guys, where should we send your card. So just simply have to write the address. So let me write the address guys. Now you can write another address. Now guys, if you have ordered your card, you can also find here guys this type of interface, and you can easily see here guys virtual card only free cash card available. Tap on order. So you have to order your virtual card first, and after that guys, you can easily use it. So guys, if you have ordered the virtual card, then you have to open the Cash App again, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to scroll it down, tap on link bank, and here you have to link your card with it, and you can easily use the virtual card. If you don't know about the virtual card, that how can you use it guys, you can see the sport option. Just simply have to go to sports option, and just simply have to contact with the Cash App support team, and tell them that you want to use the virtual card. Hopefully they will assist you and you can easily use it. So that's pretty much for today video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.